The Early Childhood Education Program at Eastern Florida State specifically looks at children that are 8 and younger. So our AS in Early Childhood Education provides an opportunity for students to come to class or take classes online, which we have both options, and get hands-on experience working with children. So the classes, we do a lot of role playing and a lot of active learning activities that allow the students to experience what it's going to be like in the classroom. But then they're also required to either volunteer or work with young children simultaneously. So having those hands-on active learning experiences early on in their classes let them really get a feel for what the teaching field is all about. And I have heard from students over and over again that that has been so valuable in their career choices because they figured out early on, yes, this is the job for me.